Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, distance and section formula. You have already got two videos, this is the third. Please pay your attention on the board. This part you have to remember. That is circumcenter. In case of circumcenter, you have to bisect the sides of the triangle, and bisector points will be the center of the circle in case of circumcenter. This point you have to remember for construction. And in center of a circle, in this case, we have to bisect the angle. Angle bisectors meet at this point. From this point, we have to draw a perpendicular, and from intersecting point to sides, this radius we have to take to draw this circle, that is the in circle, and centroid, that is important. These two for plane geometry and these are for coordinate geometry. Here the triangle ABC, coordinates of ABC are given. In case of centroid, median, meeting point of three median. What is median? Vertex to midpoint of the opposite side joining what segment you are getting, that is known as median. This point is known as centroid and denoted by G, and this median is divided at centroid in the ratio 2:1. This you have to remember. Next, orthocenter of a triangle. In this case, we have to draw the perpendicular, three perpendicular meeting at this point. This point is known as orthocenter. In case of orthocenter, how will you find the coordinates of this point? We have to find out the equation of this perpendicular and this. Any two perpendiculars equation we have to find. After that equation we have to solve simultaneously. That values will be the coordinates of orthocenter. Next, midpoint, that you have already got in first video. Now the points of trisection, that means when a segment divides into three equal parts, that is at C and D. When we are considering the point C, then ratio will be 1:2, and when we are considering the point D, then the ratio will be 2:1. This you have to remember. In case of centroid, this is the coordinate of the centroid. X equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This you have to remember. On this, the two sums are given. That is, this sum from different book. The vertices of the two coordinates of a triangle are given. One vertices is missing, and coordinates of centroid also given. We have to find out the third vertex. So let the C, that is the third vertex, be xy of the triangle ABC. Therefore, coordinates of its centroids, by applying the formula and putting the values and simplifying, we are getting this. This is the coordinates of centroid. Coordinates of centroid is given, that is 3 minus 1. Therefore, this equal to 3 and this equal to minus 1. By solving, we are getting the value of x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinates of the third vertex minus 1 minus 4. The answer is completed. Next, find the coordinates of the points of the trisection of line segment. This line is divided into three equal parts, and that is P and Q. At Q the ratio will be 1, and at Q the ratio will be 2:1. In which way we are getting the ratio 1:2 and 2:1? If you notice attentively, then easily you will understand. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of the line segment AB. Then AP. That means this AP equal to PQ, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. These are the equal, and say R. The length of this we are considering R. Therefore, AP by PB, AP by PB, that is AP by PQ, PQ plus QB. So in place of PQ and QB, we may write 2R, and AP, that is R. By simplifying, we are getting the ratio 1:2. Similarly, AQ by QB. AQ, in place of AQ, we may write AP plus PQ. AP plus PQ, that is 2R, and QB, that is R. By simplifying, we are getting 2:1. This part you have to notice attentively, then easily you will understand how the ratio is coming. First point 1:2, and second point, that is 2:1. Now we have to put the formula, that is section formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus 1, my2 plus ny1 divided by I2. By applying m plus n, by applying that formula and simplifying, we are getting the coordinates of P, that is 3 minus 2, and coordinate of Q, that is 4 minus 5. Therefore, the points of the trisection of AB are this and this. The answer is completed. I think it is clear, very simple and interesting also. Okay, thank you everybody.